Can we design conscious policies for positive social change? Are our communities cohesive and help each other? Are our teams working with a growth mindset and feel connected to the brand? How do we enhance our physical, mental, and emotional well-being? These are just a few of the many questions leaders, policymakers, and institutional heads are asking. Unlock transformative spiritual insights at the Global Conference of Meditation Leaders on February 23rd, 24th, and 25th. In just 3 years, Buddha CEO Quantum Foundation has conducted 2,300 meditation sessions, profoundly touching the lives of tens of thousands of people across 35 countries. Come, join corporate leaders, meditation and mindfulness experts for an informative 2-day spiritual science symposium through talks, case studies, and panel discussions. You will go back enriched with knowledge and practice of meditation, case studies that inspire you, ways to adopt meditation in your organizations for growth, spiritual solutions for excellence in health and education to take to your communities, connections with meditation leaders that can trigger lasting change in your life. Register now on the Buddha CEO website at gcml.buddhaceo.org for more information.